Hey there, this is Sam from JSL Saskits, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Artixo AI with your Claude or ChatGPT. Okay, basically, we have built MCP server into the Artixo AI, and it will allow you to connect the MCP server with your Claude or ChatGPT or any other AI that actually support MCP server. Then you can create your images, videos, or any other content that you can do into the Artix AI. Then you can do everything from your chat gpt or Claude, okay, by creating this connection. Okay, so let me show you step by step how you can do this. So first of all, logged into your Artix account, and then go to the MCP tab from here, and you will see the connector URL as well as the instruction for ChatGPT, Claude, or Cursor. Okay, so in this example, we are going to show you how we can connect with Claude. Okay, so just copy this URL from here and go to your Claude account. Okay, and from the very bottom left corner, you will see your profile icon. Just click on it and open the settings, and from there you will see the connectors. Okay, just click on it and then click add and click add custom connector. Now you just need to put the name. Okay, let's say I'm just using the same name, but it's up to you. You can use any name as you want. Then paste the URL you just copied. Okay, then click add, and it will ask you to connect. Just click on it. Once you click the connect button, then it will take you to the authorization page to give the authorization, the connection permission actually, so that the Claude and Artix AI communicate all together. Okay, the MCP, all the tools is imported into your Claude AI. Okay, so just approve it, approve Claude, and it will take back you to the Claude account. Okay. Okay, now everything looks good. Let me show you. Just go back the settings again and the connector, and click the Artix AI, and you can see here all the tools are connected. So we're going to check if things are working. So here we have some examples like generate image or generate videos. Okay, we have some example prompt that you can use into the Claude or ChatGPT, where you actually connect the MCP server. So in my case, I'm going to check the balance. Okay, so here is the prompt. You can use any prompt, but we have the example like how many credits do I have left. Okay, so once you clicked on send, okay, the prompt, it will ask you the authorization once again, so that it can connect with the MCP tools, okay, available into the Artix AI. It asking me who is credit. Okay, so let me give this explanation to the Claude AI. Okay, so I just sent another prompt. Sometimes it happens because the AI, Claude AI, don't know from where we want to check the credit balance. That's why it asking. So now you can see, once I just clarified the AI that I want to check the Artix UI balance, then it asking me to authorize it. Okay, so here is the always allow or deny. Okay, so I'm going to click always allow. Now, this chat session actually connect with the Artixoi MCP, and then it will use the tools to show the balance. Okay, you can see here, you have got 2,412 credits left on Artixoi. Okay, so let me go back to the Artixoi and we will verify if things are going well. You can see we have the 2,412 credits. So this is actually the same credit showing, right? So that means the tools is connected properly. And now if we want to generate image, videos, or any other feature we have into the tool section, from here you can use exactly everything from here. Let's say, for example, you are creating videos or images and you want to use Artix AI, then all you just need to create your prompt here, and then command the Claude AI to use Artix AI, Nano Banana, or the other AI model we have to create the image. Then it will process everything right inside your Claude account. Okay, so I think you get the idea, and if you have experience to use the MCP tools, then you know what I'm actually talking about. But in case you don't know, then you just need to follow the instruction. Okay, and you're good to go. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.